Let's talk about Air Canada's mobile app and some of my favorite features. As someone who purchases FlexFare tickets, I'm a big fan of Air Canada's flight status feature. In this feature, you could search by route on a specific date and it will tell you all of the flights and their statuses for the day. This comes in handy especially in the wintertime when flights tend to delay or cancel. And with a FlexFare ticket, you can change to an earlier or later flight for no fee. Another cool feature on the app is we can check where your aircraft is coming in from via Incoming Flight tab. In this case, the aircraft is coming in from Edmonton. I think this feature, along with the current one of our standby upgrade list, shows the airline's transparency towards its customers. So often, passengers feel like they're being left out or being kept guessing, so it's a really good feature for everyone to know. Pretty standard feature here with the seat maps. In this case, you could show our aircraft type, which is the A321-200 Airbus. It shows all the seat configurations for the aircraft, and if you need to change seats or upgrade your flight, it'll show you what's available. If you're curious what kind of food they'll be serving on board, the app also features the menus for each flight. Please keep in mind that it is a cashless system, so you will need the app on board in order to order your food or drink item. For those of you interested in sitting in business, it's pretty standard. Instead of using the app to order your food, a flight attendant will come to your seat and ask you what would you like to eat or drink. With regards to entertainment, you could also see what they'll be playing on board the aircraft. There's a diverse mix of TV and movies, old and new, on board. But if it doesn't interest you, you can always bring on your own devices to play. They do have power outlets at each seat. All in all, I'm a big fan of Air Canada's mobile app because of the transparency of information they provide. Flight information is well laid out, and you even receive a text when they begin boarding.